Tissue tip. Okay, pull. Pull me, Max. Pull. He's got my foot. He ain't letting go. Mom, he's got my foot.
Max!
Max, let go of Dad's foot.
Max, let go of my foot. Let go.
Max.
Max!
Max. Hey, stop it. Where does ball go?
He's got my boot.
He took your boot
He
off.
took my boot off.
He really did!
He took my boot off.
Oh, that's hilarious.
He goes, here, Dan.
Thanks, Max. No, put it on my foot. Put it on my foot. No, turn it the other way. There. Nope. Give me my foot. Alright.